Convert a Unicode string to a string in Python, containing extra symbols. How do you convert a Unicode string, containing extra characters like pound, dollar, etc., into a Python string?
See Unicode data.normalize.
You can use encode to ASCII if you don't need to translate the non-ASCII characters.
If the string only contains ASCII characters.
If you have a Unicode string, and you want to write this to a file, or other serialized form, you must first encode it into a particular representation that can be stored. There are several common Unicode encodings, such as UTF-16, uses 2 bytes for most Unicode characters, or UTF-8, 1 to 4 bytes, code point depending on the character, etc. To convert that string into a particular encoding, you can use this raw string of bytes can be written to a file. However, note that when reading it back, you must know what encoding it is in and decode it using that same encoding. When writing to files, you can get rid of this manual encode/decode process by using the codex module. So, to open a file that encodes all Unicode strings into UTF-8, use. Do note that anything else that is using these files must understand what encoding the file is and if they want to read them. If you are the only one doing the reading/writing, this isn't a problem, otherwise make sure that you write in a form understandable by whatever else uses the files. In Python 3, this form of file access is the default, and the built-in open function will take an encoding parameter and always translate to / from Unicode strings, the default string object in Python 3, for files opened in text mode.